What's up, guys? Gym is done. I'm going to the breakfast section, and then may pupuntahan kami ni tatay sa Canadian Embassy, and then meron akong appointment for my hair din dito sa Makati, so kailangan mag-breakfast ako mag-isa, and then we have to go kasi ang appointment ko is at 9. So let's go eat. Guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video ng breakfast kasi nagmamadali na ako. Kaya lagis on the camera. Yeah, nagmamadali na ako. I gotta get the car at the ballet. Let's go. Alright guys, we're back in Okada. Her appointment went good. Consultation. Now we're gonna be checking out. Say bye to the hotel.
Daddy, how many days left?
How many days left? 29 days left. Hi Kuya.
Hello.
How's your stay here?
Good.
Do you wanna come back?
Yeah.
Bye, Mr. Okada. Let's go.
Let's go to swimming pool.
Oh no, next time we're gonna go swimming pool. Okay, let's go. What's up guys? Dito na kami sa bahay ni Tita Becca. Wala pang sumasagot, but I think we're here. Let's go. Hello, what's up? What's up? Kala ko wala ka dito. What's up, Bren? Hi, Tita. Kamusta?
This is accidental. I really wore this Canadian police guy.
What's happening,
Hi
man?
vlog. What's
Si
up?
Jerem pala, Jerem.
Yeah.
Isang makulit na bata. What's up guys? Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. We're in, ano na pala to, close to Cabanatuan. Susunduin kasi namin si Mommy dun sa hospital kung nasan si Apong Bibing. And then, uwi na kami ulit ng Nueva Ecija. And then, yeah, we're gonna stay there for the night, and then we're gonna go somewhere tomorrow. So, stay tuned.
What's up, guys? We are at Cabanatuan. I think that's how you say it. But yeah, we are here at the place I just said, and right now we are eating dinner. Going to eat dinner. And I also tried a trick on him. When he carried me, I pressed this, and he wasn't able to. I'm not sure how you properly do it, but he kept laughing, so it's probably how you do it.
What are we gonna eat?
Crab! Crab!
Crab!
Let's go!
Are you hungry?
Opo, sir.
Wow, Tagalog, ha? There's Mommy.
Guys, how old is Emil?
What'd you say?
How old is Emil?
3.
Huh?
3.
Trey?
3.
Trey? Let's play telephone. Telephone.
What?
You have to say a word through his ears, then he says it to me, then I say the word. Huh? Mabaho. Mabaho?
Wet mo mabaho.
Wet mo, mabaho. Bro, what the heck?
Guys, I think this is our food. Seafood, and oh, look at that. Squid, crab, shrimp, barbecue. What is this? Pampano? And then
Bulalo.
Bulalo. Itong restaurant na to is called Kamayan. What's Kamayan in English?
Hand. Kamayan, like, I guess, handing? That's not even a word. Handing.
No, Kamayan means shake hands. Handshake.
Handshake. Oh, I thought that meant, I know that meant something with hand. I thought it meant like, because it's a restaurant
I mean,
where they use.
but you are right though. It's about eating it. Kamayan. The way you say handshake or shake hands is kamayan. So it's kind of different.